Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so I don't have any additional information outside of the job posting. And if you're interested in applying, the links to all of the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below the video. Today's job lead is from Virgin Pulse. Now, Virgin is a technology company. I know a lot of us have always heard of like Virgin Mobile. They have so many different product lines, and their Pulse line is an app. It's a health related app that they're trying to change the health and well-being of people everywhere. They are hiring a member services representative. Now, this is remote for the United States only, but if you do not mind customer service, they are looking for somebody to be attentive to their customers, specifically for the Virgin Pulse app and platform. So you'll be using your interpersonal skills to be able to understand the customer's questions or complaints and deal effectively with callers who are frustrated or angry. You'll handle incoming calls from members with a variety of different requests. You'll be navigating multiple databases simultaneously, making sure that you do member research and resolution. You'll answer questions like product design or members' overall well-being. You might also assist members with any technical issues they're having with the app and the platform. And you sometimes may have to follow up on customer inquiries that you cannot immediately resolve. So it is a basic customer service position, not requiring any kind of college degree. Of course, it is preferred, but only a high school diploma is required. Someone who has at least 1 year of customer service experience. They want somebody who has excellent written and verbal communication skills and the ability to type 30 words per minute. Now, they do desire somebody who has cloud-based contact center support, but that is not required. Above that, you need to be a fast learner, a multitasker, be able to make decisions quickly and listen attentively. Now, I don't know why they put the pay down here very in the small print, but it pays $20 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.